Hi, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. So in my last video, my husband lightened my roots, as you can see here, and today we are going to be coloring them. I'm using the Pravana Chroma Silk Vivids in silver and violet, and the silver is recommended on level 10 hair. My husband, he lightened my roots in the last video, so there are some parts that are more golden and level 9-ish than others, but that's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. I wish I'd been able to pre-tone before. And then here's the violet. Pravana's violet is a really blue-based violet, which is what I like. And I'm just starting on the top. I'm putting the silver on the parts that are more yellow. Because what I usually do is I'll put the most pigment on like the root area. If I have kind of like an uneven lift, I'll put it on the roots, and then I'll usually add some like Olaplex to the rest of my color before I run it through the ends, so that the ends are kind of like a little bit more diluted, so that the color takes more evenly, so that there's more pigment on top. Or even if the roots are a little darker, like that doesn't bother me. But yeah, I just like I'm putting, you know, the straight silver on the, well, not straight, it's a little diluted, but I'm putting the silver and Olaplex mixture I made on my roots. I try to get it all of the top so that I can put it up so that the silver and the violet don't mix together, because they're very like contrasting pigments. The violet's very deep, and I don't want it to bleed onto the silver and turn it like purple, which it usually does after a couple washes anyway, but once the color is like really fresh, I think it just looks really good. And this for like a direct dye silver, I feel like Pravana has just like one of the best formulas. I've used other direct vivid shades for silver, and a lot of them are like blue based, and Pravana's is like more of a violet based, so I think it makes it like a really beautiful silver tone. And when I do like the back here, I'm just kind of like feeling, you know, I like to like feel to see where to put the color. I feel like this color is very conditioning too, and then it doesn't really have like a smell to it, which I don't mind. A lot of the newer brand shades of Vivids, like Strawberry Leopard or Arctic Fox, or, well, they're not newer, but Pravana's been around for a really long time. They have more of like a sweet scent to them. But yeah, I'm just applying at the roots. I hope all of you guys are having a good day today, by the way. I have been meaning to upload this video for a little while. I was like, it's hard to find time to edit anymore. Gotta like squeeze it in where I can. And then I know it gets like messy here, but I was trying to get all of the rest of it up so that I could, you know, figure out what exactly is going to be in the silver parts, because I don't know, I wanted to make it easier for me to feel where everything's going to be silver and like where that violet's going to be in the back. So I was like, I'm just going to throw it on the end there. And then of course, like what you guys don't see is like after I'm done recording, I'll go back in the bathroom and like resaturate. So then I pulled this bottom section down. I just did kind of like I don't know, sometimes I take it above the ear when I do this sectioning, but I didn't want a whole lot of purple this time, so I like take my hand and I just put it as a barrier, and I like feel for where the part that I made is, because this color is freaking pigmented. I love it. I'm here for it. I love their violet. It's like, I don't know, it's like literally like an ultraviolet. Like, it's very pigmented. And if it gets on anything, it will stain it. I've learned that through the years of using this color. But yeah, just taking the section and just feeling along where the hairline is and running it through the ends. I always thought that this color would look so pretty all over. I mean, I've used a lot of like purple violet shades on the channel, but I've never done this one all over. I actually kind of am thinking about ordering a set of extensions and coloring them. Let me guys, I used to wear extensions. I wore tape-ins at one point, and then I would wear clip-ins. So let me know if you guys like would be interested in that. I don't know what I want to get. I kind of want to get clip-ins, but I don't know. I know I'm planning on changing my hair a lot, like the color, and I would love to do tape-ins right now, but I don't know if I want to commit to that if I don't know what color my hair is going to be, you know? And I'm just gonna, I like to rub the color at my roots to make sure I got saturated, which of course I'm gonna go in the bathroom and like double check the back and stuff in a minute anyway. But I like to, when I'm applying color, try to feel the saturation, see if I need to do some more. Especially the back, because you can't really see it. You have to almost like just feel it. Oh, look at that violet. Look at how pretty that is. That is like stunning. Okay, here's my hair. My daughter's in there watching Paw Patrol, so if you hear her. My curling iron died when I was halfway through curling my hair, and I've got a piece of bed head from going to bed with my hair wet. So it's not laying great, and that's because I styled it bad. But, yeah. It's really, really pretty. It's funny that I've had my hair this color. I had it for like 3 years, this exact color, the Pravana Silver in Violet, but for some reason it feels like this is the first time I've ever had it. Like, I can't explain it. Like, I think it's because I'm in a new chapter in my life. Like, I've got my daughter and everything, so I don't know. Everything from before her just feels like it didn't happen. Like, you know? I don't know if that makes sense, but it's so weird. Like, it just feels like this is the first time I've ever had this color. I hate how it's laying. I wish, maybe if I did it over to the side would help. Can't tell if helped or made worse. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, okay. Found a clip so I can actually make a little part. Maybe that'll help. I think that actually helps some. I can't tell. Some of my roots are a little yellowish in spots. If you guys didn't watch the video before this one, I let my husband lighten my roots. I think he did a good job. I have like a little bit of a yellow band, but I mean, it's not noticeable. Let me show you guys the back. Watch it be noticeable in the back. Alright, so when I turned around there, I grabbed my hair to pick up and show off the violet. It's so freaking dark in my room, it's hard to get it to show. I've always liked Pravana's violet. Like, back when I used to do my hair this color, like the silver and the purple, I used to be like, ooh, what if I did the purple all over? And like, that's how you guys are used to me, because I had my hair this color like before the YouTube days. So I don't know, I really like it. I think this is like one of my favorite hair colors I ever do with myself. Like, I feel like when I do this, I'm like going back to my natural hair. Like, I feel like this is how I should have been born, with like silver and purple hair. Because I don't know, it just feels like really me. I wanted to throw this little clip in. This is a week after coloring my hair. I have washed it with purple shampoo twice. Yes, there's a little yellow spot in the back. Oopsie. And you can see how the ends are kind of turning more lilac. That's usually what happens, like, because I haven't been separating my hair when I wash it. But look how pretty it still is. You can see like the silver mixing with the violet, and it kind of always fades into like almost an ombre, like a silver to lilac to violet. I love this color. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah. I guess I will catch you in the next one. I didn't film for a while because I was just waiting for my roots to grow out so I could like color my hair again. But now that I actually have it a pretty color, maybe I'll just do some like makeup looks or vlogs or something. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, please subscribe for more content just like this. And yeah, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye!